Hi everyone, Giuliano here. In this video, I'll be showing you a new type of pool available in Microsoft Teams called Ranking, which helps organizers to collect more information from the audience. Okay, let's get started. Here I am in my Microsoft Teams calendar. I just created this meeting called Ranking. Let's double click on it. Here, as you can see, I invited 3 colleagues. Now, to add a ranking pool to this meeting, you have 2 options. You can do it before the meeting starts or during the meeting. Let me show you the first option. To add a ranking pool, I'm going to click on the plus button at the tab, and then you can type in the search pools. This app will replace the old one, which is called Forms. Let me click now on Pools, and then let me click on Save. This operation will create a new tab in this meeting. Now I have this experience on the right. I can reuse some existing pool provided by Microsoft, or I can start from scratch, or I can even click on the button suggestion to close the panel or to reopen it. Now let me click on the new pool button to create my pool. Here I have 5 options. As I mentioned before, I want to create a ranking pool. Then I'm going to click on the last option, allow respondents to rank items. Okay, let's start to fill out this form. Now I almost done with this answer. I'm going to type now Windows key period just to add another emoji, which is pretty cool. I'm going to type happy, and now I can add this face here, and then I can say, for example, let's follow up with other colleagues. Okay, all done. Now just below I have 3 options button: record names of respondents only visible to creator, share aggregated results with respondents, yes, and then the last one, allow co-presenter to edit your pool while it's a draft pool. Okay, I am done. I can save this as a draft. Now this pool is prepared and ready to go. I have just to publish and launch this pool during the meeting. Okay, let's start this meeting, clicking on the button Join. And here we go in the meeting. I have the pools icon available because I created before this app in the meeting. Now clicking on this one, I can launch this pool. Let's click on Launch. And now this pool is live. People can start to rank every answer. So as an organizer, I'm going to provide my answer by dragging and drop this as a first option. Yes, every, and then the last one, I will put the third point. Here we go. So I am going to submit now my answer. And in real time, I can see the result. So now I'm going to do it in my smartphone. I am on my Android device right now and impersonating Diego Siciliani. On top I have this banner and I have to tap on the button View. Now I can, from my mobile device, I can provide my answer. So I'm going to drag this on the 3rd position, and then I'm going to take the last option as in the 1st position. Let's say I'm going to drag this down. Okay, it's fine. So I'm going to tap now on Submit. And now from my Android device, I provided my answer and I can see in real time every answer. I have 2 responses and then I can go forward. Now let's see at the end of the pool what happens. I am back on my desktop. Now I can see from this panel that I received 3 responses. This is the real-time results that I got. If I click on the button, then done. And if I go on the right panel, I can click on the drop down to close this pool, and this is exactly what I would like to do. Then clicking again on the drop down, I can even export results. Before to do it, if you want to rewatch somehow every response for this ranking pool, you can click on the button Response Detail, and this will give you a very nice look and feel to see every response coming from the audience. It's the table is pretty intuitive. You can see the priority in terms of user selection, and then if you click on the button Export, this will export an Excel file with the result of this ranking pool. Then again, if I click on the drop down, I can export directly this result in Excel, or you can delete this pool. If you want to add additional pool, let's click on the button new, and this will give you the chance to create further pools. During the meeting, you can create the pools app by going on the plus button on apps, and then you can type on pools. This will provide in the list the pools app, and clicking on that one, you will add basically another tab in this meeting, and then you will have the new pool button available to create additional pools. Okay, we have seen a new type of pool available in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit the subscribe button, like, comment. Thank you for joining, and I hope to see you next time.